this is Andrea Furielli, product manager for EP Equipment, and this is the EFL183, a four-wheel lithium forklift with capacity 1.8 tons. It is a yard truck that, thanks to the high ground clearance and to the big sizing tire, is able to work without any problem outside on rough surface, but also inside, being an electric machine. Compared to the EFL181, the first generation, this machine is maintaining the same super compact design, able to work in really narrow spaces, but is now equipped with several improvements. Let's see them together. Now the machine is powered by a 80 volts lithium battery with power from 100, 150 and 230 ampere hour, and the motors are currently PMS motors in order to have a higher efficiency and lower sound emission. Such motors allow a strong increase on the performance of this EFL, with traveling speed up to 18 km an hour and gradability up to 20%. Also, the mast is totally brand new, much more robust and with a possibility of elevation up to 6 meters. Also, the tubing layout is totally different. The operator gets a better visibility not just through the new mast, but also through the new roof, the new lights, and the new digital display allow to have much more information. The comfort is granted by a really quiet hydraulic pump. On EFL183, it was simplified also the charging procedure. This machine, in fact, they are equipped with onboard battery charger with plug, but for the most demanding application, there is also, as standard, an external charging plug for a fast charging. If you want to know more about EFL183, please contact us at EP Equipment.